Scout Lair, the cruise genius.com, getting off the JetBlue plane here in Cancun. Terminal 4, which I believe is one of the newer terminals. And so here we are, February 23rd, 2026. And the one thing you want to make sure you do when you land in Cancun is, if I remember correctly, go to the far left. And that is where the electronic units are, so you don't have to wait in a long line and see a person. The electronic ones, you just put your passport there, you hold it for a couple seconds, and then if it lets you through, you get like a green light, and you go. Now, I have learned to pack a carry-on, because if you pack a checked bag, it can take a little while to get it. Now, I will say I had some friends that came to Cancun a couple weeks ago and they said immigration was pretty quick. And then by the time they got down there to the carousel, the bags were waiting for them, which is kind of rare. I've been to Cancun, I don't know, 10 plus times, I guess. And I've learned not to check a bag because it can take a while. Tell you a quick story. I was flying back the day after Father's Day, and I looked on the tarmac and I didn't see very many guys loading bags. And I asked one of the staff, I said, hey, I don't see very many guys loading bags. And they said, yeah, yesterday was Father's Day, and all the guys had a couple drinks and a lot of them called in sick. So that being said, now I don't think I can get a whole lot of video down here in the immigration area, so I'm going to be real quick with that so I don't get in trouble. But they have a couple lines, one for the Mexican nationals, one for Americans or other people, I guess. But I've always told my audience, go to the far left, and it's probably the same way it is now. If you go to the far left, that is where those electronic gates are. Yeah, I'm a little out of breath. I'm moving kind of fast, I guess. Great flight. We came in doing about 150 miles an hour. It's kind of fun. We were cooking coming in. Now again, it depends on what day of the week you fly in. Today's a Monday, so it's not a Friday or a Saturday where there's a ton of people flying in. It's a Monday. So we'll see how crowded immigration is. I'm going to Vidanta Grand Lux.